tucking in the to the table. They are tucking in the chair to the table.
Another reason, space optimization. In smaller rooms or dining areas, space is premium. Tucking chairs maximizes floor space. It allows people to move freely around the table without shimmying through tight gaps. Tucking chairs improves flow in professional environments like cafes. It ensures that staff can move quickly and efficiently to serve others.